Good day, it's everyone. I'm Galasi Lagupit from EC11. Today, I would like to talk about something that is often overlooked, but is very important: mental health. Mental health is just as vital as physical health. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It determines how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choice very single day. Many people face struggles like silently feeling anxious, depressed, or lost. Yet they choose to hide it because of fear of judgment. But we must remember that it's okay not to be okay. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of courage and strength. We live in a world that often focuses on success, appearance, and perfection. Because of this, people tend to forget to take care of their mind and heart. But true well-being starts within when we learn to rest, reflect, and reach out for support where needed. As students, friends, and family members, let us be kind to one another. A simple smile, a kind word, or a small act of understanding can make a big difference. Sometimes, what seems small to us can mean hope for someone else. Let's break the stigma surrounding mental health. Let's talk about it openly and support those who are struggling, because everyone deserves to feel seen, heard, and cared for.